How to make a TikTok video, how to edit on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can edit a video on TikTok. Now first you'll have to upload a video. Now you can either edit your video already on your phone, or if you want to edit on TikTok, what you can do is open up TikTok app and tap on plus icon at the bottom of your screen, and here you'll be able to create a quick video. Now simply tap on red button there and you'll be able to create a video. Now I'll just upload it quickly here, one video from my gallery. Or what you can do is you can choose pictures as well. Now just choose this picture here. Now here what you can do is you can add effects to it, you can add filters to it. You can see at the right hand side of your screen, you can edit the length of the video here. From here you can cut and crop as well, and from the templates you can add other templates here, and you can add text as well by tapping on text icon. However, if you want to add stickers, you'll get the stickers option as well. And now to add effects, what you want to do is tap on effects option, and you can get various options. All you have to do is tap and hold here on the effect and they'll be added. You can delete it from here and you can add various effects as well. So these are the ways you can add effects, or you can add filters by tapping on filters, and you can choose filters to add on your picture and you can set them accordingly. So these are the ways you can edit a video on TikTok, and then you can simply enhance your voice as well. Here you can record a new one, or you can add voice effects to it, and then simply tap on next and you can add title and hashtags and mentions, and then you can post it. So these are the ways you can make a video on TikTok. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.